I'm Roselle with buildersrisk.net, and in today's quick video, I'll be discussing builder's risk insurance and why it's so important for anybody involved in the construction process in Houston. So if you want to protect your investment, keep watching this quick video. Now, builder's risk is your property's protective shield. It offers coverage for your property, materials, and even equipment used. It covers against things such as theft, fire, and vandalism to your property while it is under the course of construction. Who needs builder's risk insurance? Now, whether you are the property owner, the contractor, or even the investor, anybody involved in the construction will benefit from this policy. Now, you could be a homeowner building the home of your dreams and you're taking out a loan to fund the construction. Your lender will require you to have a builder's risk policy as part of the loan requirements. Now, if you're fortunate enough to be able to fund the construction on your own, then you definitely need builder's risk to protect your investment. What does builder's risk typically cover? So as mentioned before, builder's risk will offer coverage for physical damage to your property and materials. It can also include soft costs like architectural fees. Debris removal can also be included, which is the cost associated in removing debris after a covered claim. Building ordinance can also be included in this policy, which is the cost resulting in you changing your building plans to be up to code with new requirements. So what is not covered? So things such as tools, vehicles used at the job sites, earthquake, flooding, acts of terrorism, and even acts of war are usually excluded on your policy. Things such as faulty workmanship and injury to the construction workers is also included and will require a separate policy. How can you get builder's risk insurance in Houston? So it's a fairly simple policy to get. At buildersrisk.net, we work with the top A-rated insurance companies throughout the United States, which means we can shop your quote around for you to get you the best coverage at an affordable rate. We can also go through the policy with you, explaining what is included in coverage and, importantly, what is not included in your coverage. It is also very important to mention that you should have an active builder's risk policy before any construction takes place. Finally, how much does it cost? Now, the cost of a builder's risk policy will depend on a number of factors, such as the project value, your location, and construction type, to name a few. Now, that being said, you can usually expect to pay around 1% of your construction budget on your builder's risk policy. Now, if you're working with a lender, they can usually cover the costs of your builder's risk. We can work directly with your lender to secure payment on your behalf and also make sure that your policy meets all of the loan requirements, essentially helping you to close quicker. So before your next construction endeavor in Houston, explore your builder's risk options. Remember, protection is the key to success in Texas. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and build with confidence in Texas.